Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, January 28th. What do we got on the docket today from forexfactory.com, which is where we get our news? 8:30, we've got core durable goods order month over month. It was zero point 0.3 as expected, or slightly less than expected, but better than the previous month. Durable goods orders, which is where they add back in all the important stuff, was actually down minus 2.2%. So the when core and durable are not the same or very similar, durable goods is what I'm going to look at. Core is where they subtract out some of the volatile items, and that is baloney. A lot of baloney. Why we allow core to be a calculation, I do not understand. Just look at the raw numbers. Durable good orders are down. That is not good for the economy. 9 a.m., we have the Case-Shiller housing price index at the regular. Then we have a regular housing price index month over month. 10 o'clock, we have CB confidence, consumer confidence report, and the Richmond manufacturing. Richmond manufacturing is one I watch. It does give us an idea of what's really going on in the economy. So there you have only one red item, the CB consumer confidence at 10 a.m. So be aware. Taking a look at the charts. So yesterday we had one ugly, ugly day, but we recovered, I would say, at least half of what we lost. So that's kind of positive. We did close above the two moving averages. However, we are having some issues right at the moment where that's technically a gap up, but it's showing red because it is below the open, not below the close. Also, look at the volume here. We had crazy volume, twice as much as the previous Friday. Huge volume. We call that huge volume on this down day. That's concerning. That tells me that there is some panic in the market. The market went down a lot, and a lot of people went to cash. So this is a little bit disconcerting to see the volume. That maybe there is more downside action to come. There may be some fear starting to creep into the market. That is concerning. We could definitely test the 100-day moving average, 6,000. I think below 6,000, it really looks ugly. If we can sort of stay above 6,000, maybe even get above 6,100, that's very bullish. But below the moving average there, below 6,000 looks kind of ugly. Looking at inventory, we can see the inventory went down, and we would expect that on a down price action day. So excluding the gap from the open of the session, we did get back about 50%. So that's not too bad. Could have been a lot worse. And we only ended up minus 7,000 contracts. Could have been a lot worse. So, there's a little light at the end of the tunnel. Maybe. I don't know. It still looks like with the volume, it looks pretty ugly. Overnight action, we had 41 points. So that's way less than the previous day where we had 157 points. So yeah, 41, much better. Still well above average. Where do we have support and resistance? So you can see right there some major resistance. That's 6106, whole number 6,000, 6083-ish. We're sort of fluctuating around a support level. 6051 doesn't surprise me, because the 50s, the 80s are always, in 20s are always support and resistance, as well as the whole number. Where else have we got some resistance? I should say support here. 6026, 6010-ish. Of course, the whole number at 6,000. Again, if we can get above 6,100, and that would be relatively bullish. If we get below 6,000, looking pretty ugly. So there you have it. So Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 52.4, which is positive bias. That's all I've got for you today. It's a rough day. Yesterday, probably be similar to that today. Remember to keep your stops tight. Only take the best setups. Yeah. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.